Hello and welcome back to Only Pay. We'll be discussing about 5 keys to successfully managing your personal finances. Be sure to watch all the way to the end. If you are new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button below from our life-changing content. Wouldn't it be nice if there were magic formula or simple trick that allowed you never to have to worry about money or manage your finances again? While that may not be realistic, there are some simple things you can do right now to improve your money situations. Try these 5 steps for successfully manage your personal finances. Another bonus. If you stick to these 5 tips, your financial problem may start diminish and you can start reaping and rewards of lower debt, saving for future and solid credit score. Detail your financial goals. Take some time to write a specific long-term financial goals. You may want to take a month-long trip to Europe, buy an investment property, or retire early. All of these goals will affect how you plan your finances. For example, your goal to retire early is dependent on how well you save your money now. Other goals, including home ownership, starting a family, moving or changing careers, will all be affected by how you manage your finances. Once you have written down your financial goals, prioritize them. This organizational process ensures that you are paying the most attention to the ones of that are the highest importance to you. You can also list them in the order to you want to achieve them. But a long-term goal like saving for retirement requires you to work towards it while also working on your other goals. Below are some tips on how to get clear your financial goals. Set a long-term goals like getting out of debt, buying a home or retiring early. These goals are separate from your short-term goals such as saving for a nice date night. Set short-term goals like following a budget, decreasing your spending, paying down, or not using your credit cards. Prioritize your goals to help you create a financial plan. Flesh out your plan. A financial plan is essentially helping you reach your financial goals. The plan should have multiple steps or milestones. A simple plan might include creating a monthly budget and spending plan, then getting out of debt. Once you accomplish these 3 things and have followed through on your new plan for a new months, you may find that you have extra cash, and the money you free up from your debt payment can be used to reach your next round of goals. Again, it's key to decide what priorities are more important to you. Keep steadily working towards your long-term retirement goals, but also start to focus on the important near-term goals and have set your life. Do you want to take an extravagant trip? Start investing, buy a home, or build your own business. There are all things to consider when deciding on your next step. Your goals, along with an emergency fund, will help you stop making financial decisions based on fear and help you to get control of your situations. When creating a financial plan, remember these things. Your budget is key to success. It is the tool that will give you the most control of your financial future. Your budget is the key to achieving the rest of your plan. You should keep contributing a long-term goals like saving for retirement no matter what your financial plan stage is. Building an emergency fund is another key factor in financial success and stress reduction. Make and stick to a budget. Your budget is one of the biggest tools that will help you succeed financially. It allows you to create a spending plan so you can allocate your money in the way that you will help you to reach your goals. You can make your budget as high level or detailed as you want, as long as it helps you to reach your ultimate goal of spending less than you earn, paying off any debt, tidying your emergency fund, and saving your future. A budget will also help you decide how to spend your money over the coming months and years. Without the plan, you might spend cash on the things that seem important now, but don't offer much in terms of fencing your future. Many people get caught in this requirement and get down and themselves for not reaching the financial milestone they want for their family and their own life. Don't forget to celebrate small victories along the way. For example, congratulate yourself once you pay off your debt or reward yourself when you stick to your budget for 3 months solid or when you successfully pad your emergency fund. If you are married, you and your spouses need to work together on the budget. Working together make it feels fair to both of you and you both have the same level of commitment towards achieving it. This unity can go a long way towards helping you prevent money related arguments. Below are some tips for married couples who want to create a budget together. Consider switching to an envelope budget system that use cash for spending that areas require more discipline. Use budgeting software with a mobile app or you can just write down on your notes so you can enter spending the real time. Plan expenses in advance to avoid any overspending. Pay off debt. Debt is a huge obstacle for many when it comes to reaching financial goals. That's why you should make eliminating it to priority. Set up a debt elimination plan to help and you pay it off more quickly. For example, while making minimum payments on all of your debt account, pay an extra money towards one debt at a time. Paying After paying off one debt account, move all the money you were paying on the first debt to the next debt and continue from there, creating a debt paydown snowball effect. Once you are totally out of debt, commit to staying out of debt. Leaving credit cards at home may be a wise strategy. Save up an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses so you aren't tempted to use credit card to cover them. Try these tips to help you pay off debt more quickly. Sell unused or unwanted items around your home to find extra money to add your debt repayment plan. A second job can help you speed up your process and can be necessary if you want to make fast or lasting changes to your situations. Look for areas in which you can cut your budget to increase the cash available for your debt payment. Don't be afraid to ask for advice. Once you have grown your savings and want to begin investing to increase your wealth, speak to financial planner to help you make wise investment decisions. A good advisor will share the risk involved in each investment and help you find products that match your comfort level and investing return needs to be helping you work towards your goal as quickly as possible. A financial planner can also help you with your budget, which is another plus. Investing is a long-term strategy that helps you building wealth. You can also find financial help elsewhere such as search for a local church or community center that offers free or low-cost classes for workshop and personal financial budgeting. Occasionally, banks and credit unions offer courses as well. Find a mentor that would be willing to help you formulate and work through your budget for the first few months. This mentor can help you if you are overwhelmed by the budget process. If your parents or other family members are good with money, consider asking them for help and talking to them about what worked for the financial and what they would have done differently. It doesn't have to be difficult experience to get your debt paid off. Money saved and progress made towards your financial goals. Invest in yourself and your financial future so you won't ever need to worry about your finance again. How do I track my personal finances? People have different preferences when it comes to tracking and managing their personal finances. You might prefer to use a traditional spreadsheet or you might want to use one of the many apps available today. Many of these personal finance apps connects directly to your bank account and update automatically, making it easy to track spending and budget in real time. How does the economy affect your personal finances? Changes in the economy can have a significant impact on your financial life, especially if you run on the tight budget. For example, inflation can make consumer goods more expensive and rising interest rates can make getting a loan more costly. These and other factors can make achieve your financial goals more and less difficult, depending on which direction the economy is going. How can improving your credit score help with personal finance? When you improve your credit score, it becomes easier to get loan and credit cards to help you with large and small purchases. Not only that, but lenders will typically offer you better rates, amounts and loan terms due to your higher credit score. All of this makes it easier to work towards the financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Be sure to turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any video just like this one. Please give us your thoughts in the comments below and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.